Una do my people, I greet una for anywhere in the world where you dey take watch my video. My name na Omobolanle Adedeji. I be your pidgin teacher for this data analytics matter. Today, I wan sama una with function and formula for inside Excel. If you never subscribe put for my channel, na the correct time be this make you subscribe. And no forget to click the notification button so that the next time wey I upload correct video, you go dey among the first set of people wey go dey see my video. Now unto why we dey here. Now the first one wey I go do for inside this formula matter, na dem dey call addition. You remember that time wey we dey for primary school, secondary school, wey we dey do addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. Na im be the thing wey I wan come show you for inside this Excel matter. Now make I sharparly start the first one. Now as I don click this one now, if I click all this thing now, nothing happen. Na im be say Excel no know wetin I wan do. Nothing dey show for here. E get one almighty function wey we suppose use and I never use am. Dat na why Excel no understand wetin I wan do. I go come click am now. Dat thing na im dem dey call equal sign. As I don put equal sign now, make I highlight. As I highlight now, Excel don reason am say I wan do something for inside H3 go inside L3. See am now, and e don even dey here for inside this formula bar say I wan do something. But I never tell Excel wetin to do. If I press enter now, e don tell me say value. Na im be say I never tell am wetin make im do for inside H3 go inside L3. E no know wetin e wan do. So now I go come tell Excel wetin im go do for inside this thing now. I go come start from equal sign. The first one wey I wan do na im dem dey call addition. Dat one wey we dey do for primary school, secondary school, wey dem dey call addition. But for inside Excel, Excel no dey reason am as addition. I go come press sum. As I press S now, because I don put equal sign, Excel don understand say I wan do one function o. E don dey suggest all the function wey dey inside Excel wey start with S, e don dey suggest am give me. I go come write another one. As I put U, e don suggest another one wey start from SU. E don suggest am give me now. As na sum me I wan do, na im be say I wan add. Now see add. I go come press my tab button. Dat one wey get arrow wey dey go front, wey dey go back, you go come press am. Now e don show you say e don put bracket now. I no wan give una the big grammar wey oyibo people dey call am. E don show you now bracket now. E don ask you say wetin you wan make I do. If you come click am now, the same thing wey I highlight before, as I highlight am now, press enter, my answer don show because Excel don understand wetin I wan do now. Dat other one, I put the almighty function, but e no do anything because I never tell Excel to do anything. As this one now wey I don put equal sign come put sum, na im be say I don tell Excel say you go do sum o, you go add all these things. E don come add am put for me now. This one wey I do now, this side wey I do now, na im dem dey call row. I fit come do am for inside column. Na the same method I go take do am. Equal sum, tab. Now for this one now, I go come highlight everything for beginning reach end o. Come press my enter. My answer don show for here. Na im be say I don do addition, or make we call am sum. I don sum this one now. So now as I don do this one now, you don see how this one dey go. What if I wan divide something? If I wan divide some of this thing o, whether I wan divide this one plus this one o, I wan do anyone wey I wan do, I come here now, come put equal sign. I come tell Excel wetin I wan do. I come click this one now. Now the next thing wey I go do be say I go come click here now, come press this my sign. Na im dem dey call, una fit call am dash o, fit call am hyphen o, anything wey you wan call am. I don put am now. I go come tell Excel where e go come carry the thing wey I wan divide. I come click here. Anyone wey you click, anyone, as I dey click am, see am e dey change. E don change go L10. If I click am now, e don change go L12. If I come here, e don change go L16, e no matter, as I don do am now, I go come press enter, e don do my the minus for me now. See am now, e don show for here for inside the formula bar say I don divide L16 comot for inside L5, na my answer be dis one. If I wan do multiplication, na im be say I wan multiply one thing with another thing, make we multiply dis one. So dis one now for here now, I wan multiply am give dis one now, I come do dis one. So I go come do my sum, dis my equal sign, come click the one wey I wan do. So I wan do dis one, I come here, come go press my shift and dat 8. As I press shift and 8, dis one wey dem dey call asterisk sign don show, na im be say I don tell excel say I wan multiply. Make I come click dis one now, na im be say I don tell excel say I wan multiply K4 with L4. If I click enter now, my answer don show. So dis one now, make I add dis one now, addition. Dis one na im dem dey call subtraction, and dis one na im be multiplication. Now for the next one, I go come do division. I go come here put equal sign, come tell excel wetin I wan divide o. I go come click dis one now, say L5 o, I wan divide am. Question mark sign, yes, question mark sign, and den e get another sign wey dey under am wey dem dey call forward slash. Anything wey you call am, slash or anything, you go come press am. As I press am now, I don tell excel say I wan divide L5 o with something. I don press K5 now. Na im be say I don tell excel say I wan divide L5 with K3. I go come press enter. E don give me my answer. So dis one na im be division. So I don do division for here. Now e come get some things wey be say if you dis one na all dis one na im dem dey call formula. E come get some things wey be say dem be function. Now if I come here now, some things don show. E don show you sum, average, count, max and plenty other things like dat. But I fit come here, dis one, dis tab wey dem dey call formula tab. If I click dis one now, e still dey for there. So I go come do the other ones wey dey here. Make I quickly show you dis sum now. So if I click dis place, click sum, na im be say I don tell excel say I wan sum some things o. If I stop here now, you see say our answer na the same thing, and I use dis formula. See am now, dis function na im I come use here, na the same thing. So the next one wey I wan do now na im dem dey call average. So if I come here now, I don see am now, sum, average, everything. I come click average. I don tell excel say I wan do average. Excel don understand wetin I wan do now. E don gather all the thing wey dey here. But if you look am now, you see say e don join the one wey be say na sum. E don join am, and I no wan join am. I go come inside dis formula bar now. I come change am from 19 to 18. See am now, excel don see say I no wan do dis one. E don comot for there. E don shift back. I come press enter. So dis one wey I do now, na im dem dey call average. So I don do average give una now. So the next one wey dey for inside dis one na im be count numbers. I come do dat one for here. So I dey do dis one for here because I wan show you something for inside dis count numbers. So as I click dis one now, excel don see all dis one wey dey here. If I press enter, excel don tell me say dis thing o wey I do, all dis thing wey I highlight na 16. E don count am say na 16. If I come here do the same thing, na the same thing excel go do. I dey repeat this one because I wan take explain something. If I press enter now, e don show me 16. The reason wey why this one get naira sign na because this column na we don convert am to currency. If you no know wetin I dey talk, na im be say you never watch my other video. Sharparly run go inside my channel now, go watch how you go fit put currency for inside your numbers. Now make I come here, na this one gangan I wan show you. The same thing wey I don dey do since, I come here now, come click count. If you look am now, excel no know wetin e wan count. The other one wey I do, as I click on the count, excel don highlight all this one, but this one now e no know wetin I wan do. Na me go come tell am say okay oya do this one oo. If I don highlight am now, if I press enter, e say zero. Na im be say excel no see anything. The reason why e no see anything be say this ones no be number, na text dem be. So now to come count this one now, you go come do wetin we dey call count A. Come here now, put your equal sign, count. You see say e get the normal count wey we dey do, and then e come get the second one wey be say e get count A. Na im be say we don tell excel say anything wey you see wey dey for inside this range wey I wan select, as long as dem no empty, count am. E no matter whether na number or na text, e go see now. I go come press my tab, highlight all this one, press enter. Excel don see am. You see am now ba? So excel don see am say all the thing wey I highlight wey get number dem be 16. If I comot Enugu now, e don change am go 15. E don change am come back 16. The same thing for this one wey I do. If I comot this 8 now, e don change am go 15. Put am back. Na so e dey be. If space dey, e no go count am. This one wey I explain give you now, e go dey useful for another video wey I go do give you. So if you never subscribe put for my channel, subscribe right now and click the notification button, so that when I put that video sama am for YouTube, you go dey among the first set of people wey go see am and you go learn for am. The next one wey I wan do, we don do average, we don do count numbers. The next one wey I wan do na im dem dey call max. Na im say I wan tell excel say show me the number wey big pass for all these things. I go come here now. I fit come here now, come press equal sign and press maximum. See am now, e don show me max. I go come click max, press tab. As I highlight am, press enter, e don show me say na this 160,080 something something all this one 160,080,000 something something na im big pass for inside this my figure. So now I go come put maximum. This one wey I do now, make I clear am. E don go carry wetin I no want. I come do 18. E don come this one now, I come press enter. E don see am say na 160,000,000 something something na im be the highest. I come do the next one wey be say na im dem dey call minimum. I fit put my formula say equal to min. E don see am now. Press tab, come select everything, enter. E don tell you say na this 120,000 na im be the minimum, na im be say na im small pass. I fit come do the formula for, come click the function for here. e don select everything for me again. I come tell am again say no, na for 18 I wan stop o. See am, e don select am go 18, press enter, na the same 120 all of us get again. Now make I quickly show una something. If I highlight this one now, come look down here, see am, without putting function, without doing anything, excel don sum am give me. If you look at the answer wey dey here, na the same answer wey we get for here na im dey for here. Excel don count am, na the same 16 wey we get na im dey here, and our average be 27 na im dey here. So if you wan do am quickly quickly, you no wan do plenty plenty formula, you fit come here come gather am. Formula plenty for inside excel, and all of dem dey get different things wey dem dey do. E get some people wey be sey dem be mathematician or statistician, dem get their own formulas, dem get their own thing. People wey dey financial sector, all of dem get their own formula wey be sey e plenty for excel. See dis one now, make I quickly show you dis one. Dis one na the formula wey I recently use, na im be dis one. All dis if, all those ones. Dis one na im dem dey use for financial sector, as I talk before. Dis one na im be logical something. I go sama una another video wey I go take explain all dis logical part. Den dis one na the text, all those one, all dis plenty plenty things dey for here. But dis our video na for beginner. I go come stop for here. Now the thing wey I wan show you, if you come inside dis insert function, e get im own benefit. See am now, excel don highlight dis one say wetin you wan do o. So e fit be say as you come excel new new, you no know wetin you wan do. The thing wey you wan do, e fit no be sum, e fit no be all those one wey I just show you now. You go come here wey excel don highlight, cancel am, come say add numbers. Click go. Excel don give you the formulas. So if you just tell excel make e no too long so that e no go confuse, just short word tell am wetin you wan do wey you no know the formula. See am now, excel don suggest the 3 formula wey be say we fit take add numbers. E don put am for here. You remember say na dis one na im we use, sum na im we use. So if na that one you wan use now, you go come click ok. Now that one wey I click for here, e still dey for inside dis one wey dem say more functions and everything. See am, e dey here. See am, and den you fit click am for here also. If you get anything wey dey for inside dis one wey you think say I suppose talk, I never talk, or I never talk am, put am for inside comment section. I go sama you the video, talk am so that you go understand. For 2025, all of us must dey successful for dis data analytics matter. I go see you for my next video. Bye.